Hello guys! A big welcome from one of my favorite places. Un grand bienvenue d'une de mes places préférées, de mes endroits préférés, la rivière Lask. The little streams, the Lask little streams. Where I am now, in the loving presence of my beautiful Vogel Crystal. Dans la présence aimante de mon cristal Vogel. This beautiful Vogel crystal I purchased in the collection of James Tiberon, Keeper, in Arkansas. La collection de James Tiberon, un gardien de la terre en Arkansas il y a 2 ans. This is one of the beautiful little pieces that came to me when I traveled there. This is the crystal clear coming from the cave of diamond and crystals in Arkansas, which are the purest in the world. This is the crystal of manifestation, bringing with him the codes of the pyramids, of the goddess Hathor, of fertility, abundance, love, wealth, well-being, and the manifested world into matter, the manifested spirit world into matter. I bring him here. I call him because for me he's a being. And it is just a clear conduit for the purest, the biggest, the most wondrous manifestation of abundance, joy, love, and wealth for myself and every one of you. More to follow, darlings. I love you so much. Cheers.